Wow, my oh my, guys. Pepe is getting listed everywhere. Is Pepe the new Shiba Inu coin? We have been talking about it, and now it is literally like 5 to 6x away by market cap. Pepe has exploded past a $1 billion market cap on the heels of some huge news. We're talking Binance listing, we're talking every major exchange coming after Pepe right now, guys. Check this out. Let's go right inside their Twitter. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe down below. Congratulations to everybody out there making a killing on Pepe. I got in late, yet still making some money, and this is just absolutely insane to watch. I know some people got in super early. Congratulations to everybody out there who are making some money on this. Make sure you're taking profits along the way. Not financial advice, but I would be taking profits along the way. Now, KuCoin says, you asked for it, we did it. Pepe coin, Pepe gets listed to KuCoin. As if that wasn't enough, just this morning, this is coming out just this morning, literally within the hour. We've got KuCoin, and then, we've got a small exchange by the name of Binance, guys. Binance is listing Pepe and Floki in the innovation zone, both cryptos getting listed to Binance here this morning. Massive news. And Pepe, as we said, right now is over a $1 billion market cap. Is Pepe the next Shiba Inu? Listen, I think it is. I think the verdict is out and ready and tried and true now, because we have just hit a $1 billion market cap within a month. That is absolutely insane in a crypto market that's not even necessarily bullish. Absolutely crazy what's happened here with Pepe. We have not seen anything like it ever. SHIB obviously rose to a $50 billion market cap. So SHIB's still in kind of a league of its own. Of course, Doge did what it did as well, and their multi-billion dollar market cap still throughout a bear market. But I think Pepe just joined the ranks of SHIB and Doge with getting these two listings. This is absolutely astonishing what we've seen happen here with Pepe. Let me know how you guys feel about this down below. Unbelievable here. What's next? Is Coinbase next? I mean, what else is there to list it? Robinhood, Coinbase. I think they're all coming. I think they're all going to come down Main Street here and list Pepe very soon, sometime this year. I think even sometime within the next couple months. I think they're crazy not to. They're missing out on money. This is going to become, in my opinion, one of those cryptos that's heavily traded day in, day out. It's here to stay. And wow, I mean, just absolutely insane. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you guys think about it all down below. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking about Pepe. Listen, whether you like meme coins or you don't, you can't deny what just happened. Pepe getting listed at Binance and KuCoin. Huge news coming out here on Cinco de Mayo for Pepe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.